9649. Cab car. Cab car. 9649. Cab car. 9649. This is the Keystone train. Keystone. And then trying to take a quick look at it. Oh, whoa, there's two cab cars, it looks like, together. Two of those. Whoa, that is very rare. Whoa, that is gonna be 9651. 9651. You can look at why they call it a cab car. They are very old school. Let's see if I can't get a good picture of it. Various looks like the engineer. Yep. And then, yep. Oh, that's called a cab car. See if I can't get it right there. The building pillar. I don't love this, but yeah. 9649 is a cab car. I wish I would have been in the middle of those tracks, but I wasn't. But yeah, two cab cars right next to each other. Hence why it is rounded like that. F is for front. Last call. $6.45. Again, I repeat, $6.45. That could be my train. Could be. Yes, that is. Oh, whoa, let's see if I got the back door. Yes, that is our train. So 6:45. Back door. You know, right where I spotted. Okay. I'll be on that train in a few minutes. Do a